get off track like this. What are the tools to use when everyone receives the product? Maybe a pair of tracks. Add this accompanying accessory. One on the left, one on the right. Is there two of these? The next thing we all need to prepare is a screwdriver, but some homes can use electric ones. You can also use a tape measure. There is also this screw that comes standard because we are shipping in transit. Also, according to each family, his side panels have different thicknesses. We can't match screws as standard. You can choose according to your side panel thickness. Do you run matching screws? So let me show you how to choose our Olufsen mopping track. Let me explain it to you. How to choose our Olufsen mopping track. Like our drawers, our sample drawer, it's a 45mm drawer. This is not included when measuring the drawer. This panel is not included. Just measure this drawer. The distance minus the panel is 45 centimeters. So we had to choose a 45 centimeter track. For example, our drawer is 40 centimeters. So we're going to use a 40 centimeters track. The length of the drawer is equal to the length of the track. Okay, the installation gap of this track is like this. This side is the installation gap. Yes, the two sides add up to a gap of 6 millimeters. Because of this mopping track, it is installed at the bottom of the drawer. So, we want to reserve a mounting height for a track. The height gap, it's about 4 millimeters. Okay, I'll give you that. Let me introduce you the requirement of this bottom support slide for this drawer. So here it is. This is a drawer with ordinary side-mounted slides. Everyone, its base plate is very flat. Is this a Tony slide? Drawer base plate. Look, there are two more here. Card slot. The depth of this card slot is 10 millimeters. It is here that is 10 millimeters higher. The width here must be less than 18 millimeters. Everybody, take a look. This one is reserved for 16 millimeters one. Is more appropriate. In addition, it is between these two sheets in the drawer. You need to open a hole here with a screwdriver. Do you want to open a hole here? Take a look at the base plate of this drawer. It's the back. There must also be two holes on the back plate. Here we go. Let me introduce to you the purpose of these two holes. The inside of the side plate also needs to open. Is there a hole here? There is also a hole here in the same position. The purpose of this hole is to... We're going to put this plastic accessory later. Do you want to plug it into this hole here? We attach this slide rail to this side panel. Please pay attention. This installation gap. There must be a certain amount of space on the back. Definitely leave at least 10 millimeters. I just introduced it to you. At least keep this. Save the extra 10 millimeters of space. Any screw hole here. You can install this screw. It can be adjusted. Here we go. Let me show you how to assemble it. So first of all, we're going to put this through this hole. Align this hook and put it on. Okay, after putting it on, plug this little accessory into the bottom of this one. Due to the shooting angle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out separately. Let's see what kind of principle it is. Look at this. Is this hook going to be placed in this drawer? Inside the card slot on the back. This flash is the balance not to be placed in this card slot. Let's take a look. Okay, if you look here, there is. There are also two installation holes here. If we say it's for pumping air, can balance a little, we're just screwing it up. Due to time constraints, I'm not going to put it on there. Just pay attention to this detail. Many friends ask what this accessory is used for. This is what I'm going to show you. Since we just started, a hole has been opened here. We put the drawer on it. This card slot will play a role, the function of fixing the drawer. Okay, let's take a look. Now it is it's solid. Let's take a look at this after installation. Very smooth. Very quiet throughout. Our Aorus orbits are also representative of mass. And look at the load. My weight is 70 kilograms. 70 kilograms? Let's try it.